CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through. Hey, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn Basecamp into a blog. Maybe you want a company blog, I don't know, a newsletter archive, you're a travel blogger, you could have a local business and you just want to be able to post updates. Maybe you're a church, whatever it may be. You're thinking, I want to be able to start a blog, but I don't know what to use. I've heard of WordPress, but it sounds too complex. Medium, not really my brand. Well, what if I could use Basecamp, where my team already lives in, and publish directly from there? Well, we created that, and that is all within CanDo. Let me show you how. So the first thing we're going to do is go to getcando.com. If you do not have a Basecamp account and you want to be able to start a blog, not a worry. Basecamp actually has a free plan and it works perfectly with what I'm about to show you. So we're going to go ahead and click on login. And then we're going to click on our account. In this case, it's called IQ Playground. And we're going to go to where it says blogs. Now, let me show you how we set that up behind the scenes before we actually create the blog. So here we have a project called My Blog. And then within the project called My Blog, we just created a message board, a very normal message board called Blog. And then now that we have this, we can go back to CanDo and we're going to click on New. We're going to click on Project. We're going to select My Blog. We're going to select the message board. And then we're going to create blog. Now let's give it a name. So we're going to call it, I don't know, Our Travels Around the World. Description: follow us as we travel the globe and learn about new cultures. Now we have the ability to create a custom domain. If you are interested, this is actually with a premium account, and you would be able to just have your travelblog.com, if you will. Let's say you also wanted to be able to password protect. You only want certain people to be able to access it. You can do that as well, and we'll see that in a second. And we can actually upload an icon as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's click on upload. And then this little picture here, there you go. We have a nice little icon now. Our travels around the world. Follow as we travel. So we're going to click save. When we see this is paused, it means that it's building, it's going out there and trying to create the blog. We have 0 posts right now. If we refresh, we're going to find the same thing. The reason behind that is because we haven't created anything. So let's go to the actual blog and it's out of Basecamp. And we already have some that I prepared. So let's go ahead and post maybe Aruba, one happy place. Now, the thing about it is that the same viewer you're used to is the same we're going to use. So you can have categories, you can have the title, you can have an image. Whatever image you set as the first one is going to be your cover image. So make sure you remember that. If you do not put a cover image, that's okay too. You just won't have one. And then you can have some images in here. And we're going to go ahead and click post this message. Now, if we go back here, we should be able to see that now we have one post. And we have this URL. Let's go ahead and copy it. And see how it looks. There you go. Our travels around. Oops, there's a little typo. Let's go ahead and fix it. Around the world. There you go. So follow as we travel the globe and learn about new cultures. And we have a category called beaches. Aruba. Perfect. Now let's read it. How cool is that? Took us what? 3 minutes? Now, as you start posting new blogs within Basecamp, you'll start seeing them there. So now we have this one called Colombia, Cartagena, and we can actually post it. Remember that you can also, which is a Basecamp feature, you can schedule it. It works just as you would expect it natively. You can click here and schedule it for another time. In this case, for the demo, we're going to go ahead and post this message right away. And then we're going to go ahead to our blog, refresh, and there you go. Now we have two categories, beaches and blog, are all, one Colombia Cartagena, the other one Aruba. Let's do one more. Now we go to blog, and we have this last one. Note, this one does not have any images. That's okay too. So we're gonna go ahead and post this message. We're gonna refresh our blog. And like we saw, this one just has the excerpt and it has the date. It does not have an image. You can choose to have an image, you can choose to not have an image, that's up to you. Now, like I said before, if you wanted to, and you didn't want to use this URL, which is a little bit hard to get, you can just use a custom domain. Once you click here, you type in the custom domain. So my blog around the world.com. Click save. And then within our knowledge base, you'll find how to actually do that. And we're going to create another video so you can register with GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Name.com, whatever it is, and be able to connect it right to your blog. That's how we create a blog within Basecamp. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, you can email us. And if you wanted to use CanDo for Basecamp, you can actually go to Basecamp's website and then go to extras. You'll find us right on top, or you can just go to our website, getcando.com. Hope it was useful. Hope you start posting within Basecamp and to your own URL. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.